Can a cockroach legally become an election symbol in India? Namaste, I am Anuradha and this is Organizer. Following a recent remark by Chief Justice of India Surya Kant, a group of cockroaches came together and formed a political party. They reached Jantar Mandir and demanded that no terminate repellent should be used against them. But can a cockroach be used as a political symbol in Bharat? Let's know the Election Commission rules on this. So there is no clear answer. Getting a cockroach as an election symbol is highly unlikely because election symbols in India follow very specific rules. Recognized national and state parties have reserved symbols. For example, the BJP has the lotus and the Congress has the hand. Under the Election Symbol Order of 1968, registered but unrecognized parties and independent candidates have to choose from the Election Commission's list of free symbols. They can request a symbol, but there is no guarantee that they will get the one they want. The latest list published in May 2025 features 184 everyday items, including air conditioners, balloons, doorbells, dustbins, frying pans, jackfruits, and grapes. There is another interesting rule. Some symbols can be used freely in most parts of the country, but not everywhere. Take the apple for example. It can be allotted in many states, but not in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka. This also means two recognized parties in different states can legally have the same election symbol if they do not contest against each other. But there is one category that the Election Commission has largely stopped allowing, and that is animals. Back in 1990s, animal welfare activists raised concerns that animals were being mistreated during election campaigns. This policy shift was influenced by the 1989 Tamil Nadu Assembly election. Former Union Minister Maneka Gandhi noted that when the AIADMK faction led by Jayalalitha was allotted the roaster symbol, thousands of birds were tied to fast-moving campaign vehicles, resulted in numerous animal casualties. After such concerns, the Election Commission stopped allotting new animal symbols. The Bahujan Samaj Party, formed prior to the ban, remains a rare exception with its elephant symbol. For newer groups like the CJP, the former regulatory framework strictly prevents any insect or animal from entering the ballot.